What's up, y'all? You already know who it is. You know what it is. Your boy JP coming to y'all with another how-to. We got 2008 Mercedes E320, and we're going to be taking this radio out and putting in a double-in radio. So first thing we want to do is come up here, and you want to lift up on the column, not the column, but the little panel. You know what it is. You want to slide it forward. These little two tabs stick inside there, and once we do that, we can come up here, put this in the on position, and then we can slide this back, the on position, slide it back. Give us a little bit more room right there. Now we can lift up right here, pull that to the side there. All right, now we have 1 and 2 T15 Torx. We're gonna go ahead and take those out, and that's gonna give us this part right here. Now that we got those T15s out, we can bring this big old all right, take that out, and now we have a T15 there and a T15 right there. Alright guys, so the trick with these is you don't want to go fast because these screws aren't actually going to come out. What you want to do is, let me see, I put this inside of here and I just started twisting. I use my angle screwdriver to get down there just to kind of break the tension at first, and then I use my hands to twist it. So now that I've twisted, this is actually, I'm trying to twist right now, it's already tightened. Same thing as the other side. So these screws will actually stay in, and then you'll be able to slide this out. And then you can see right here, this little mechanism that is in, you're just loosening that from that. So now we just want to go ahead and alright guys, that's about it. This is what it looks like. All the links will be in the description. If you found any value in this video, please hit the like, share, subscribe, comment button, all them buttons. Till next time, it's JP signing out. See you guys at the next car.